Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to tell you that how you can download previous year paper of Punjab board. For this, you have to simply click on the Google Chrome. I am using Google Chrome. You can use other Chrome as well. You have to type pyqonline.com. Alright, so this is our website. As you can see, now you can simply click on the school board and select your board, for example Punjab, or else what you can do is you can simply type on the search bar Punjab board. Okay, as you can see pop-up button over here, you can simply click on that. So as you can see, this is our website. Alright, in order to download previous year question paper, we have to simply select class from the previous from question paper section, and these are PYQs. Now you have to simply select the class or the subject that you want to download. We have to wait for some time so that download link appear. We have to click on that. Okay, so this is our PDF as you can see. Now you have to simply click on the download button and download the PDF. We have to simply select class from notes and solution section. For example, I have taken class 10th over here. As you can see, these are our notes. We have to simply click on the subject we want to go through notes. Okay. In order to attempt mock test, we have to simply select our class from question paper section and click on the mock test and objective. As you can see, no mock test has been uploaded over here. Now what you can do, you can simply comment mock test in our comment section and we will be providing you that. Alright. I'm going to tell you that how you can go through model papers. So you have to simply select your class and click on the model paper. As you can see, very few model paper has appeared over here. Now again, if you want more model papers, you can simply comment model paper in our comment section and we will be providing you that. Now in order to download this PDF, we have to again click on the download button and download it. Okay, that's it for the video guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post any new video. Alright, so thank you, take care and bye bye.